All right, so...
Guys, no, tear it open.
Wait. Are you going to tear it open like that? Oh, okay. What's that? Oh, look at that.
Ready? Ready?
Am I ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Should we open what, number 1?
I don't think there's any numbers on these. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have Hot Wheels slime cars.
Yeah.
And of course I got Paisley May, my granddaughter here, who just happens to love slime.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. We got these from our friend Walter in New Jersey. And
yes, we did.
yes, we did. These came from I think like the dollar store.
Yep.
But our dollar store doesn't have them, so that's why he sent them to us. So on the back it shows
all of them.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different ones.
Number 3.
No, I don't see any numbers on these.
It has a number 3.
Well, it says 3+. Are you older than 3?
I am 4.
That's right. So
and I'm going to be 5.
You're going to be 5. So you can play with these, right?
Yep, I can actually play with them.
Okay. So we have 4 of them. We're going to open up one of them right now.
Yep, we're going to open it.
This the one we can open?
Yep.
All right. So...
Guys, no, tear it open.
Wait. Are you going to tear it open like that? Oh, okay.
And
what's that? Oh, look at
that. Here it is.
Yeah.
Oops,
oh. This is This is a car that came with it. This is the...
Yeah, I'll open it up.
I don't know what it is.
You open it up for me.
Okay. Like the scissors?
I don't have... Yeah.
The trusty scissors? Mm-hmm. Is that like the trusty fishing knife?
Yep.
All right.
All right, you got it open.
All right, you got it? Okay.
Then it came with a little plug here.
Yeah, what are those like?
I think it ties to here.
Well, what do you have that's like this?
The monster trucks.
Yeah, the little monster trucks.
Shoots it and
can you put that together?
Yep.
See if it shoots that way?
I can't figure it out.
Oh, yes, you can.
This goes there.
There you go.
Tried.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Let it,
No, it
Scoot
can't. It can't go off.
It can't go off? Okay.
That's not what we do right now.
All right.
Open the slime.
We're going to open the slime? Are we really going to open the slime?
Yep. There we go.
Oh.
What?
I don't know. It's going to make a mess, isn't it?
Open it. No, it doesn't. It's clear.
It's clear?
Can you see?
Can I see?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Can you see it?
I can see it.
I can feel it. Ooh, it's stuck.
There you go. You take it out.
It's stuck.
That's yucky.
It's stuck.
That's yucky.
Stuck. You get the rest out. Feels good.
Yeah?
Chicken.
Yeah, okay.
Can you get the monster truck?
You gonna put the monster truck in there?
Yeah. Actually, I want you to shoot it and the slime comes out. I say.
What do you mean the slime comes out?
Look it.
I don't see any reason why there should be slime with a Hot Wheel car. So
I think it should.
You think it should? Look, it looks like a guitar.
Yep, it does. It's true, and it has a little button. And then it.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna hold it like this.
This is not really messy.
So where are you gonna put the slime?
Yeah, I'll put it right here.
Right there.
And it catches.
Okay, we're gonna hit it with a. Oh!
I told you.
Yeah, that's silly.
It doesn't even make a mess.
No, it doesn't make a mess. Well, you're right. It doesn't make a mess. So here is Hot Wheels slime with pullback cars and flick cars. This is a flick car. Boop. Huh, that flicks pretty good.
Can we get it?
Oh, we'll get it in a minute. So,
make sure Max doesn't get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just put this on.
Oh, no, don't do that.
Why?
So the slime is not really messy, which is a good thing. And the car, where it went that way.
What you want to my Nana and Grampy's room?
Yeah, it went to Nana and Grampy's room. So there you go. Hot Wheels slime. Thanks to our friend Walter from New Jersey. And we'll see you later.
We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.